Hello, this is Les. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm making this video to let you know that the plans for my little steam locomotives that are shown in the picture here are being published in Live Steam and Outdoor Railroading magazine in 4 issues. The first issue is out May, June of 2026. So if you're interested in building one of these little locomotives, you'll be able to obtain the complete plans and building instructions in the Live Steam and Outdoor Railroading magazine. And I will zoom in on the magazine to give you an idea and information for ordering the magazine if you're interested in doing so. So here's a little video showing the article, and they did a nice job. There's a lot of colored pictures showing the different steps in the construction, my plans, and ordering information for the magazine. Are right here. I'll focus in on this for a little bit if you'd like to get the information. The rest of this video will just be some footage of the little blue engine, which is the one in the article that I built when I was writing the article and making the plans. And I will conclude with some footage of the little blue engine running on a little oval track on my pool table.